Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Calico Garage. I was editing this episode and I realized I didn't really film an intro for it, so I'm doing that now while I'm editing. And I was hoping to also get the uh, inspiration for the name for the channel on camera here, but Kat is decided to run away before I could get her on camera. And couple other things before we start the episode. I realize that a lot of these videos for the foreseeable future are going to be kind of a vlog more than kind of episodes. And that's just because I'm prioritizing having a some sort of release schedule rather than having a lot of action-packed episodes. If you like that, let me know down in the comments below, and if not, let me know as well. I am learning this as I go. But thanks for watching, and on to the episode. Let's get in here. This will actually be the first time I've ever sat in here. Let's get this box out of the way. A little more out of the way. And that's not going to stay open. So now the box is going to hold the door for us. Okay. So, yeah, this does have AC. Even a rear vent. Do the windows work? Oh, that's this one. Well, that works. That's cool. It's also got adjustable mirrors. And I'm guessing this is the mirrors, or the door windows. I know how to speak. Wow, this really is incredibly clean in here. Also, oh wow, even the headliners, very clean. We've got mothballs and life jackets of varying ages, and something that I don't know, is that an antenna? It looks like a radio antenna. I'm thinking now, while we're in here, can we get in the glove box? Can I even get to it from here? I can't even get to it from this side. Anything in the center? Oh, there is some stuff in the center. Yep, there we go. Last registration, 92. Okay, so this hasn't been registered in over 30 years. Let's see, what else have we got in here? Got some kind of part of unlabeled description that looks like a... Ooh, it is very corroded. I'm gonna put that out of the car. We can take a look at that in a minute, because that was gross. waited to work on this car for going on 20 years now. And I'm just taking a minute to appreciate everything about this thing. Oh, just realizing it looks like we've got 80,507 miles on it, which I'm assuming is just 80,000. If this was 180,000, I would find that hard to believe, given the rest of the condition of it. I do have a hole in the windshield right there, but if that and tearing the vinyl here are the two worst things about this inside, then I would consider that a miracle. Got a key for it. It's good, I don't have to go digging for it. Oh, and then what we were actually here for actually looks like it was in reverse, perhaps. So there's low, there's drive 1, drive 2, I'm guessing that's neutral. Does not really feel like a position there. There we go. Feel like we're in neutral now. Parking brake is on. Let's see if this, or maybe it is on. If it's not on, oh, there it goes. Something about that's not right, but got any gas seems to work. See how the brake feels. Yeah, something's wrong with the brakes. They may just be stuck. That would be best case. Just be able to free them up then. But all in all, pretty dang impressive. Let's check out what's in the trunk next. Okay, for the trunk, I have no clue what's in here because I believe, oh wow, a lot more than I expected already. Okay, it stays up, that's good. Lots of tires. I wonder if any of those fit this. Be convenient. Got some, oh, it looks like at some point maybe the plates were swapped out on this because it's got a 75 plate on it, but in the trunk it's got a 88 and 91 plate. Well, even this like cardboard lining in here is still kind of intact. The fact that it's intact at all is mighty impressive. And I see a trim piece. Also, there's some floor mats. Huh. There's a trim piece. Are we missing a piece on one side? Oh, yes, we are, because that side has its wheel cover. And this side, yeah, it is not anymore. Oh, yeah, well, there's a missing piece found. Must have been from whenever it was collapsed in got taken off and thrown in here. Got some more parts back here as well. Radiator cap. Actually, if that's a new radiator cap, we actually need that, because one that's on there is, well, certainly doesn't look new, but it may actually be better than the one that's on it. There's also some carburetor gaskets in here. Something's been living back here, though, at some point in time. Oh, that's an empty box. Valve assembly. Interesting. We've got some brake parts. Maybe a clue as to what's wrong with our brakes, or a clue to maybe the only thing that's working on the brakes. Have to see what's on this side. Got some more gaskets of some kind. Some lids. It's probably some of the mini containers that are littered around here. Spark plug wires. Well, that's interesting. Are those just replaced? Or... Well, we've got some extra spark plug wires to try. Is that... bug screen? Inside radiator bug screen. That's pretty dang cool. Oh, wait, what? This is literally like a window screen. It'll focus. It's like a window screen that you can put on your radiator. I have never heard of this. That's pretty cool, and there's a lot of them in here for some reason. Chassis parts. Looks like most of the stuff that's in these boxes so far has been used things that were just kept for later, which makes sense. Yeah, I got some... like a bushing? Huh. I apologize for my lack of knowledge. I am learning as I go. So, if I'm saying stupid stuff, let me know. Maybe I'll learn a thing or two as I go. Oh. Huh. Diaphragm. Seems to have some movement left in it. Huh. A lot of parts in here. A lot of tires. Got some hoses down in there. Like a trim piece with all the screws left in it. Can of brake fluid. Still got a little in it, but I don't know if I'd trust that anymore. And then... oh, that's disgusting. I don't know what this is or once was, but it's now a cup full of rocks of some kind. I've been seeing those around here a lot. It might have been some kind of pest control. Maybe they're like a rat killer or something, because I've seen a lot of those little like cups and jars around. let's see if we can get in, drive the passenger side, get in the glove box. I already know that this door is stuck somewhat. There we go. And pretty sure it's gonna have a hard time closing again. But I'm gonna see if I can get in there and then check in the glove box. Well, now that I'm in here, got all the life jackets all the way. The seat is in very good condition, but I was able to find the owner's manual to something in here. It says 62 on it though, 62 Galaxy. That'll focus. There we go. Yeah, so I don't know if he had a 62 Galaxy before this, or if this is just the wrong book for the right car. I don't know. Awfully weird. I'll have to check some of the numbers that are in this, see if it match. There's also some other stuff back in here. A Fix Your Ford book. This might actually be useful. Actually, yeah, this could be useful if it is of any... No, it's not. Up to 1958. That's interesting. Huh. Neat. Not seeing anything else too interesting back there. So, let's see what else we can do. So, as a lot of you have probably noticed, this video has been filmed very out of order because I'm figuring out what I'm doing and I'm forgetting to say a lot of things and having to go back and talk about them. So, some information continuing from the beginning. Uh, this garage is on my grandpa's property, and I'm trying to pick up with all the stuff he left and see how much of it can get back on the road. Because stuff like this, I have wanted to see back on the road for most of my life and haven't ever gotten to see that. So I am probably going to be taking it slow. This video and probably most of the videos are going to be pretty short because I can't be out here a lot because this is pretty far away from me. And I am kind of learning as I'm going, both the recording and the actual mechanics stuff, because I have a lot of experience with mechanical systems, just not cars. So I'm learning a lot. Uh, if you want to see some people that actually know what they're talking about, go check out some much more experienced YouTubers than me. If you haven't seen them, if you've seen me before them, I'd be amazed. But Junkyard Digs and Thunderhead 289 are some very knowledgeable guys. I've been watching a lot of their stuff to teach myself what to do and how to do it and how to hopefully not break stuff. So we'll see how it goes. And if you're watching this, thank you very much. If you've seen anything I've done and thought I'm being stupid, please leave a comment and tell me what I'm doing wrong, because I'm here to learn too. But thanks for watching, guys, and I guess I'll see you next time. Peace.